Okay, we're going to get some practice cutting lines today. We've learned vertical and horizontal straight lines. Now we're going to cut some wavy lines, some zigzag lines, and some scallop lines. So you're going to get a piece of white paper and one of each of these kind of lines. They're all different colors. So you're going to pick one of each. You're going to write your name first and last, or if you just know your first name, write that first. Write your teacher's name. Always do that on the back. Then on the front, we're going to glue our lines down. We're going to use glue sticks and scissors. Scissors we always carry like this in our hands safely. So we're going to get those things to our table and we're going to start cutting. When you cut, you want to hold your scissors, thumb in one hole and two fingers in the other hole. You're going to hold the side of the paper and you're going to concentrate on cutting on the black line. Now I might have to turn my paper if I need to cut the other side. Once I have it all cut, I get this interesting line that looks kind of cool. And I can use both of these if I want. Now when I have them both cut out, I'm going to take my glue, just roll the bottom up so you see a little bit of the glue showing at the top, and you can glue them to your paper. I'm going to put a line of glue on one side. I'm going to put my paper on top and I'm going to rub down. I'm not going to pound it down because that won't work very well. I might just take this piece and leave a little bit of white space showing because I see that line now, which is kind of interesting, or I might want to put it on this side. I'm going to decide that I think I want to put it right here. I'm going to put a line of glue and then I'm going to just put it so I see a little bit of that white space showing and then rub with my fingers. Now I can do my next one. I'm going to do this wavy line one. This one looks fun. I'm going to start, and it looks like the line doesn't go all the way to the edge, but that's okay. I can just start where I see it. I'm going to cut with my scissors. Curved lines are sometimes a little bit trickier because I have to turn the paper as I cut, and I'm cutting slowly. I'm not going in big, I'm not going like this. I'm cutting just like this with my scissors. Now I can glue this one down. Maybe I want to glue it like this. Have these be like opposites. That kind of looks neat. Maybe I want it to overlap this one a little bit. I can decide how I want to have that. I'm going to take my glue, put some glue down, put my piece of paper on top, and glue it with my finger. I'm going to do this one next. And we'll share the glue. Not everyone needs their own glue. All right, and you're going to get as many done as you can. If you don't get them all done, that is okay. We should be able to fill up most of the paper, but if you don't get all of them finished, that's okay. And you might not be able to use both sides. The lid needs to go back on the glue. And when we put our scissors away, we're going to hold them safely.